Child custody refers to a court's determination of which parent, relative, or other adult should have physical and/or legal control and responsibility for a minor under 18. Child custody can be decided by a local court in a divorce or if a child, relative, close friend, or state agency questions whether one or both parents is unfit, absent, dead, in prison, or dangerous to the child's well-being. In such cases, custody can be awarded to a grandparent or other relative, a foster parent, or an orphanage or other organization or institution. While a divorce is pending, the court may grant temporary custody to one of the parents, require conferences or investigation before making a final ruling.